This lecture uses the laptop investment spreadsheet, properly prepared for demonstrating the quick formatting features, such as alignment, background color or shading, merging cells, and borders, amongst others. Having this spreadsheet a raw aspect, the purpose is to transform it according to the shown example. The title, the headers, the labels of the rows, the currency numbers. The commands regarding these features are located at the Home tab. Font, alignment, number. Above the title, a row should be inserted. Open the Insert menu and do Insert Sheet Rows. The title should be centered along the cells B2 to G2 by applying the command Merge and Center. The cells are unified and the content is centered, showing up the part that was not visible. Increase the height of the row. A second line of the title is shown. For a search large container, it would look better having the content just in one line. Click at the end of the first line on the formula bar, press Delete for erasing the break line, and insert a space. Confirm? The title is placed at the bottom of the container. It should be at the middle, which you can do by clicking on Middle Align. For applying a background to the container of the title, or a shading, go to the Fill Color and apply a color. The font size of the title should be increased. Open the respective list and apply a higher size. Let's change the color of the font. Open the font color table and click on one of the colors. For increasing the font weight or thickness, click on Bold. The title is formatted. The labels regarding the stores should span the two columns of data of each store. Select a cell of the header and insert a row. Move the store's labels to the upper row. Digital Store, Tech World. For centering each label across the respective two columns, select the cells and apply Merge and Center. The same for Tech World. Let's make these two labels bolder. Select them and click on Bold. In the previous cells of the store's names, write Price. The labels of the columns should be centered and bolded. Select them and click on Center and on Bold. Let's fit the column of the item labels to the content. Double-click on the column separator and the width is adjusted to the content. Now select these cells and apply bold and italic. Do you like this italic looking? If don't, revert it by clicking again on italic. These type of buttons work in toggle mode. If the actual state is on, a click turns it off, and vice versa. The monetary values should have a currency format. So select these cells, open the number format list, and click on Currency. USD currency format is applied, since by default it applies according to the regional setting of the device. These buttons increase or decrease the number of decimal places. One decimal place is enough, so having the cells selected, click on Decrease Decimals. The columns of the numbers should have the same width. Select the columns and on one of the separators drag the mouse, in this case just a little. The columns are resized to the same width. The header has a shading and a border at the top and bottom. Select the range of the cells of the header. Open Fill Color and apply a color. Now open Borders List and click on Top Border. Repeat for Bottom Border. At the bottom of the table there is also a border. Select the last row of the table and apply Bottom Border. The example image is no more necessary. Click on it and press Delete key. Now go to the View tab and deselect Grid Lines. Appreciate your work. Replace grid lines. Practice these features so when reaching the lectures regarding the formatting in depth, comprising full sections, you are prepared to seize them at the most. Thank you for your attendance.